I have a leak in my vehicle, and it's one of the most aggravating leaks. It's definitely coming from somewhere up here, and the most aggravating thing about it is it comes down and it drips right on my knee. And so, and then on top of that, it's making it musky in there. So we're gonna try something I've seen online. I'm gonna spray some soapy water right along the edge here, and I'm gonna go on the inside and I'm gonna blow right up along the edge and see where the bubbles are. Then I'll know exactly where I need to apply some windshield sealant. So here we go. Spray, spray, spray. I'm gonna just put a lot of it on there, and then I'm gonna go on the inside, and then you tell me where it's coming out. Hopefully this works. Do you see it? Let me see that right there. I think I'll be able to do both of them. I don't see anything yet, do you? Anything? Well, this may not work. Maybe it's further this way. All right, tell me if you see anything. Nothing? Well, the funny thing is, I got it coming on the inside of this windshield, so it's got to be coming in somewhere. Let me try it again. I might be able to see it. Nothing? Okay. Well, try this. Right there. There it is. Got it. Okay, it took a little while, but it actually did work. I went underneath the headliner and just started spraying, blowing. And it looks like right about here, there's got to be a little hole, and the air travels to there and comes out. So it's somewhere right around here. So now the only thing I can possibly do is just put some window sealant right across the top of this as far as I can come down. And there's a special sealant for that. And what did I do with it? Okay, I found it. Don't, guys and girlettes, please don't use silicone. They actually sell it at the auto parts store. Windshield and glass sealant. And so I'm going to go right across the top of that and try to make it look as nice as I can. The absolute proper way for this is to take it to a glass shop, have them take the windshield out, clean up the surfaces, and then put this glue all around it. And I'm not doing that. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to try to get it nice and even across the top there, and hopefully it won't look tacky. You can actually see where it's coming in at. See it? There's where the leak is, right over there. So I'm blowing right through here, and it's coming out right there. And on the headliner, it kind of shows that. It shows like right around here, and it'll just kind of run down and pull up on a piece of trim. And once it gets a certain height, it just starts dripping. And so I'm gonna have to just seal it around here. I wish I could just take this off, but I'm afraid I won't be able to get it back on. So I'm just gonna put a nice coat all the way down. I gotta get that cleaned off and get it ready for that sealant. I cleaned it off and let it dry. It's pretty dry now. This needs an hour to set up. So I'm just going to lightly come over here. I'm squeezing this up toward the top. Now I'm gonna sit up here like a beauty queen. Not really. And go ahead and go the other way with this. Kind of lay it thick. Wet my finger a little bit. I'll be giving this a paint job anyway. Okay. Oh. And I'll come back and finish that. Just gotta get this off. Coming out a little too fast. And I'm almost out. See if I can squeeze out enough to make it around this turn here, this corner. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now, smooth it out. Presto. Now, you may not want to do this to your vehicle. You may want to pay somebody to do it. I'm not going to pay somebody to do it. And if I do, look at here. It's already got a chip in it. So this is more like a temporary fix. This will eventually spread. And then I have to replace it and clean all that up. But right now, it doesn't look too bad. So, yeah, hopefully I'll stop my leak. Oh, that's right. For this video, Mailman Mechanic, like and subscribe. I'm always coming up with something different. And yeah, see you at the mailbox.